Today, I would like to explain the usage and precautions of GM-10kV series adjustable high-voltage digital mega-ohm meter. With the rapid development of China's power industry, the preventive repairment of electric appliances is an important link to ensure the safe operation and maintenance of power system. Installation diagnosis is an important means to detect the installation or faults of electrical equipment. Electrical equipment is developing towards large capacity, high voltage, structure diversification, and sealing. This requires that the installation resistance tester should have the characteristics of large capacity, strong anti-interference ability, and easy to carry. Our company has specially designed and developed this instrument for the rest of the electrical installation resistance characteristics of large-scale high-voltage transformer, electrical machinery, remote power cable, or buried cable under strong interference sites, such as high-voltage substation and power plant. Now, we take a zinc oxide resistor as a test object to measure its installation resistance. First of all, let me tell you about the wiring. We connect the air terminal of the instrument to one end of the zinc oxide resistor. Connect the E terminal of our instrument to the other end of our MOA. The G terminal of our instrument is the same point, which cannot be connected when the environmental interference is not strong. We'll ground the ground terminal of our instrument. Turn on the power switch of the instrument and choose to test the high voltage. Choose 2500 volts. We choose our resistance range. Select the range of 20 G-ohm. And then we click the high voltage control button, and the instrument outputs high voltage. At this time, we can adjust the high voltage control to 2500 volts. At this time, the range of resistance is not enough. We adjust a large range, and the final measurement result is 104 G-ohm. After getting the results, we click the high pressure control to stop the high pressure output of the instrument. After that, we wait for the instrument to discharge automatically, and then turn off the power switch. It should be noted that when we choose the test voltage, it cannot exceed the breakdown voltage of MOA. Otherwise, MOA will be breakdown. Do not touch the high voltage output line during the test. When we test the capacitive sample, we must remember to discharge, so as to avoid the risk of electric shock.